All right, hello and welcome back. So in this video, I'm just going to show you around here. We're just looking at the tags tab. We're going to go ahead, click that. Make sure you can see my screen here. There we go. So tags, you'll see these are the tags that we have gone through and built. And these are the tags that are in the account right now. And we're going to be going through how to set these up as we continue. But in this video, I'm just giving you a tour. You can see again, last edited 3 hours ago. Here is the type of trigger. And so you'll see down here, we have triggers, but these are the types of triggers. This is going to trigger every time a page loads, and you'll see why later. This is going to trigger every time all pages on the website initialize. So as soon as that page pops up, it's going to initialize and basically be able to fire at any moment. And then here, this is a test trigger, but it happens on a button click. That's what that mouse represents. We've just titled it test trigger because we were building it as a test. So in this video, we've looked at tags, relatively simple. It's all you really need to know in here to start building. And in the next video, we'll be looking at the triggers tab. We'll see you there.